Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Study Desk of Anand. So in the last video tutorial we have seen the constraint not null. So if you have missed that, please go and watch my video tutorial. So link is in the description. And in this video tutorial we are going to see another constraint, that is check. So this is something like it should apply some conditions for the field. For example, if we have an election system that verify a candidate who is going to vote must have age greater than 18. So this kind of conditions we can verify with the help of this check constraint. The syntax is very similar to the not null. Like here you can do apply the check constraint by two ways. One is like at the time of creating a table, like create table name and the name of column, followed by data type and followed by this constraint name check and the conditions inside this square bracket. If suppose table is already created and we wanted to apply this check constraint on any particular field, so that we can also do with the help of this syntax alter table name, and we can add a check constraint on the condition. So if suppose we wanted to apply a constraint over a multiple column, a multiple field, that we can also do. Inside these conditions we can provide the multiple column as per the requirement. So let's see the practicals. So I have already written a create statement, and if you wanted to see how to create a table, you can watch my first video tutorial on DDL. So it will cover this create tables explanation. So right now I am going to create a table and I will add some check constraint, and it will verify that candidate has age greater than 18. So let me execute this query. Yeah, so right now the table is empty and it has a four field: ID, name, age and city. And if suppose anyone wanted to insert a record, a candidate record whose age is less than 18, so right now you can see that age is 12. So if anyone try to insert such record, then the database will not allow those record to be inserted. It will prompt an error like insert statement conflicted with the check constraint, because we have a constraint check. So this only allow the record to be inserted whose age is greater than 18. So let me put age as a 20. So if I just try to insert, so yeah, so now I can see those records. Now if suppose I have created some table, same table, and I forgot to add this constraint. So I will name as a test code 1. So I have created this table. Now later I wanted to apply the constraint check on this table test vote 1. So that I can do with the help of this alter command. Alter table name is vote 1. Now I can simply say add and constraint, and the conditions is age is greater than 18. So if I just execute this command, and now if I trying to add some record on this newly created table, so it will prompt again the same error. So if I trying with this valid age scenario, then it will accept those record. So I hope guys you have understood this check constraint. So till then, take care of yourself and happy learning, and do let me know if you have any questions with the help of your comment. Take care guys, bye bye.